Today we'll be sewing the crotch seam, and Rookie Me has forgotten to press the record button earlier, so I will be showing you on a piece of scrap fabric. So at the crotch, put the right sides together and sew with the seam allowance, in my case which is 1/2 inch. Next you decide which side you want your seam to go. So if you want it to be pressed to the front, you cut half of the seam allowance of the front fabric. Be careful not to go through the stitches, and that's what it should look like, and that's what I've done on my actual piece. Then the part with the wider seam allowance which you did not cut, you want to fold that so that it covers the short seam allowance which you've just cut away. Go on to your ironing board and press that well. Then top stitch as close as you can to the folded edge. Remember to backstitch at the start and at the end of each stitch. This flat felt seam is a very strong stitch which you normally see on jeans, on pants, so I like to use them on kids' boys' shirts especially, and also pants and bloomers. So this is what it should look like on the inside, 2 neat rows, and on the outside you will see 1 stitch running through. And here's a closer look. Press it really well and you are done.